guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today we just been to the health center for my flu jab. Yeah, my arm still hurting. And when we arrived was very good timing because the delivery man delivered my husband's parcel, but I did not know what's in here. I did not know what he bought. So I will open this before he can see me. Oh, that's flat. I'm wondering what he's buying. Quality of packing. Oh, what's this? It's a parking sign. So he bought this for his toy, his scooter. So he wants his scooter to be parked special on the area. He bought this for his scooter because he wants to be exclusive in the garage, so no one can nick his space in the garage. No one will nick his space anyway, just the gecko. That's it. I don't know why he bought this one. That's very good. Dang. Oh guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye bye.